और दोस्तों ये हो रहा है हमारा पिज़्ज़ा रेडी अभी कुछ ही टाइम में। ये गया बिक्री में। So how long you working Kuya here?
Here, 2 years. 2 years.
2 years. So you are from Philippines?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
And you, where you from?
I'm from India.
India?
Yeah. But I'm just making the video for my YouTube channel.
You have YouTube
So you
channel?
want to say something to my viewers?
Hi, I just want to say hello for everybody. And come here in City Center, Carrefour to try my pizza.
Thank you. Now the pizza is getting ready, almost done. तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं इतना मस्त शानदार। You can cut it, make it pieces. In a day, how many pizza you can make?
Weekends, we make 200.
200.
Maximum.
And normal day?
Normal day, like 80 to 100.
That's nice. Make it slices, huh? Show the pizza how it's made. So this is the Kuya, he made my pizza. It looks delicious and I will enjoy it. Thank you so much, Kuya.